Good morning, class 9th. Let's continue our second chapter of geography, physical features of India. Now today we'll be discussing our first physical feature of India, that is Northern Mountain or Himalayan Mountain. So let's start our chapter.
Himalayas is the place of enchanting beauty. On the highest peak, temperature can drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius and the altitude is starving oxygen. The word
Altitude means height of the mountain.
Himalayas is a Sanskrit word which means the abode of snow. This mountain system
Abode of snow means barf ka pahad.
In Asia form a broad continuous arc of nearly 1600 miles along the northern fringes of the Indian subcontinent from the bend of the Indus River in the northwest to the Brahmaputra River in the east. The Himalayas
नॉर्थ में इंडस रिवर से लेकर ईस्ट में ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर तक ये स्ट्रेच्ड है. ओके.
form the Earth's highest mountain region. Some 30 peaks penetrate 25,000 feet. It contains 9 of the 10 highest peaks in the world. Among these peaks is the world's highest mountain, Mount Everest, is 29,028 feet high. The second highest peak is K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, which is 28,251 feet high. The other high mountain ranges include Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna 1, Nanga Parvat, and Nanda Devi. Himalayas is also one of the youngest mountain ranges in the world, mere 5 million years old.
Now all these peaks, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri. So this Mount Everest peak is in Nepal. Okay, it is not in India. And Kanchenjunga is in India. Nanga Parbat is in India. And Kamet is in India. And Namcha Berwa is in India. So Nanda Devi 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 peaks out of 10 peaks, okay, are there in India. 5 peaks are in India and 5 peaks are in Nepal. Okay, highest peak Mount Everest is in Nepal, and then second highest peak Kanchenjunga is in India. Okay, first 3 at least you must learn. First peak means जो Mount Everest पूरा जो एक वो है सबसे हाईएस्ट वो जो पीक है वो नेपाल में है. देन कंचनजंगा इंडिया एंड मकालू आल्सो इन नेपाल. ओके.
The Himalayas forms 3 parallel zones, namely the Great Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, and the Sub-Himalayas, which includes the Sivalik Range and foothills and the Tarai and Duars Pied Pond. The foothill of the Sub-Himalayas are covered by tropical moist, deciduous forests. In these forests, many rare species are found. These forests are homes to rare golden langur. Down in the valley, there are many red pandas resides. Red pandas are suckers for bamboos. They are mainly found in China and only in a very small population lives in Bhutan. In Bhutan, many colorful birds are found. Sub-Himalayas disappear in Bhutan, and then further up in the Middle Himalayas, there are many different creatures. Hulock gibbons are the only apes found in India. Their thick, dense furs are better than any coat. Himalaya thrive various creatures thousands of feet up into the heavens. These creatures are a type of wild goat. Snow leopards are also found in the Great Himalayan region. The other animals found here are musk deers, sheep, and wolves. Nearly 40 million people are residing in the Himalayas. The Hindus inhabit sub-Himalayas and the middle Himalayan valleys from eastern Kashmir to Nepal. Tibetan Buddhists inhabit the Great Himalayas from Ladakh to northeast India. Ladakh is a very spiritual place. Followers of Buddhism lives here and there are many Buddhist temples located.
Now this Ladakh has become the Union Territory of India. Okay.
People who are residing in Himalayan region have domesticated the yak.
Residing means जो लोग रहते हैं.
Yak can live in higher altitudes than any other animal. There are now very few wild yaks left in the world. People in this region depend on yak for all their needs.
Till now we have discussed about the Himalayan mountains. But now we'll be discussing how Himalayan mountains are formed. The formation of Himalayan mountains.
The supercontinent Pangaea began to gradually split into different land masses and move apart in different directions. The northward drift resulted in the collision of the Indo-Australian plate with the much larger Eurasian plate.
You know that now the Himalayan mountain is there. Once Tethys Sea was there.
Due to this collision, the sedimentary rocks, which were accumulated in the geosyncline known as the Tethys, were folded to form the mountain system of Himalayas.
Drift means flow.
Indo-Australian plate was moving at about 15 centimeter a year at the time of the collision.
So these plates are continuously moving and pressing the between area, and thus the fold mountains are formed named Himalaya.